Well, it's the next day, and not long after our last video, me and Amy totally hit a wave of tiredness. We had to head back. We had our food, we headed back to the hostel, and we fell asleep about 7 o'clock at night. It was a nightmare because everyone was trying to get ready in the hostel room, and we're like conked out, and that's like a big no-no. But yeah, so we slept on and off for about 12 hours because it's 7 AM now. But I'm out on the hunt for coffee, but I'm not sure if that exists because everything is shut. But the sky is blue, and we're gonna actually go and do something in nature today rather than just hang around in the town. But yeah, I can't say I feel well rested, but I feel like I'm on a different planet, to be honest. It's not looking very open. I'll give it 5 minutes. Gotta love the smell of that sweet, sweet sulphur. Had my coffee, gonna go meet Amy at Pack and Save now. Try and get something for breakfast, and then we need to... God, these are falling down. We need to get on with it, I think. Seize the day. Look at what I found. No. We are on our way. Oh, should we go into the Blue and Green Lake?
Yeah. I was just to think about that. I was like, are we?
Yeah, we're going to the Blue and Green Lake, and then we're going to the Redwood Forest, which I'm presuming these might be it, are they? Are we going on the way to, like, we're going to pass Redwood Forest?
Kind of, I think so, yeah. It's basically on the way, yeah. That must be it.
Well, we've got blue skies. Well, it's still a bit nippy because of the wind, but yeah, we've been faffing a little bit this morning. But we're ready to actually go see some nature now, rather than just getting lost and walking around closed shops in Rotorua.
Yeah.
Slow down, look around. That's what that sign says if you didn't read that. Oh shit, this is it. We've got 2 minutes.
Yeah. There was a car park back there, or we can just park up somewhere in here. If we can get
Nice,
down.
isn't it? Bloody hell.
Yeah. That'll be you in a couple of weeks.
Oh Jesus, not driving that thing. Oh dear. Oh, it's so nice.
Do we just park up somewhere here, maybe?
Yeah, there's a space. Is that space there? Can you fit in there?
Yeah. Go here. I'm gonna try anyway. Yes.
It's not too shabby, is it? Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, okay, we just parked up and decided we're going to change our mind and drive a little bit further. You are nice, but we wanted to a higher kind of vantage point. Oh, this might be a bit tricky. Yeah, here she goes.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go. Is that palm trees in that in the middle of the hills? I'm not very good at this. I've never seen like trees in that kind of formation like that before. Do you know what I mean? Like palm trees on the hill with mixes of all sorts of other trees I don't know the name of.
Yeah, looks like we're going further up.
So, this is you.
No,
That's me. I'm joking.
oh, okay.
I don't know. I think
This
we
is
just
what
walk.
we need to do now.
Equestrian.
Walking track.
Who's
This is it. Walking tracks. So what one do we follow?
So look at the top right. So Redwood Memorial Grove is 30 minutes. Sorry. That's a bit long, isn't it? What about the way to what? Oh my God. This one.
Yeah, the blue one. The blue
1
line.
hour.
1 hour, yeah.
So where is that?
Suitable for most ages and fitness levels. Suitable for... Okay, cool. So, yeah.
With low level of backcountry skill.
Yeah. So that is the blue trail, which is this one here, going all the way around here. So we just got to follow the blue.
Where's the lake on the picture?
Yeah. And where are we right now? Here.
There.
Site visitor centre car park. So that's us there. We just start walking and just follow the blue.
And what's it called again? Way to
Watawa
walk. 3.4k.
1 hour.
Good enough.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Ready? I really hope you don't get lost.
No, we'll be alright. We'll be alright. That's why I packed the tuna, just in case.
Yes. Oh God,
so we've got time to survive.
Yeah. Oh God. So funny.
Yeah, it's freezing. As soon as as soon as like you're not in the sun, it's just actually freezing. God,
We'll be sweating soon, though. We'll be getting hot.
Oh, nice though to be in with all the trees.
Dora Explorer.
Yeah. I'm just glad to not look like a bloody plumber with my cargo trousers on.
Yeah.
It looks so nice. Where is she? Oh, for fuck's sake. This is why I'm not a very good vlogger. Fuck's sake. I just want to get a really good view of the lake. Look, it's just hiding.
I hear people, maybe there's a viewpoint somewhere.
Yeah, well, I think there's a beach or something down there. Yeah, I don't know how we get down. It is beautiful though, I'm not really complaining. I know, oh my gosh.
I'm going to end up rolling over.
Oh my god, I need to pull these right up.
I'm not going to be able to go as far as you because you've got longer legs than me.
What's annoying is we were like, we're not going to swim, and now we're regretting our decision not to bring any swimwear. And it's beautiful.
So clean.
It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, it's so nice.
It's really nice.
Oh my god, hello.
I thought it was cold when I first got it, but I could easily probably
Swim in
dunk
there.
in this, yeah. Typical.
Do we? They're definitely curious.
Oh, they're coming now, getting brains.
Oh my god, look at him go. Jesus, he's swimming really far. Oh my god. When's he? Oh, which one to go for? Oh, he's like gonna get fit. Oh no.
Come back, mate.
God, I'd be so stressed if it was my dog. I'd be running after him. He's coming back. He's like, fuck
Come on,
that.
mate. Keep going, keep going.
Your bag. Your bag.
Literally. I feel like doing it, especially the cat on the dress and the haircut.
It's literally Jurassic Park. Oh my god. Look at that. Amazing.
Made it down again.
Don't know where we've come from right up there. Yeah, no, it's been lovely, but the trees are kind of in the way a lot, so we can't see the lake, but it's we finally got an opening. Sorry, I had to do that. I had to do that.
Oh my
Because
god.
I bet it's like a fucking tarantula or something in there.
I'm just scared.
Sorry. Oh my god. Right, we've almost finished our walk. Are we going after this? Redwood?
Yeah.
More
another
woods.
walk.
We'll see, maybe we're hungry actually.
I am, yeah.
Yeah, we'll find some food.
We'll try out a cereal bar on the drive there and hope that it...
I love these fans, sorry, I'm a bit obsessed. Oh, no, stay still. It's just so nice. I'm really considering a toe. Yeah, I don't know. No, I think it is. Come on. We got this. Keep going.
I can hear the road. It's literally there, so this is just the forest version.
I just don't think the signage is very good.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I might just call this video like Amy and Olivia get lost. We just get lost everywhere we go. We're going back on ourselves now.
Oh dear.
Fuck's sake. But yeah. Just forever in this jungle. We're on the road again, and I don't think we've even moved very far. She's off. Oh god.
Oh.
We literally moved. I think I can see where we entered.
Oh my god.
Fuck's sake.
Oh.
Right, well, let's go up there then.
Off we go.
Walking track miles.
Oh my.
So we've just got our food. She's got a wrap. We finished our hike earlier. We're now at Okere. I don't know how you say it. Okere Falls. After a bit of a parking incident, we went and parked in a whitewater rafting place, and they were thinking we wanted to take part. And yeah, it's all a bit awkward, but we got through it. And we're gonna go eat some lunch and look at some waterfalls. But yeah, it's all good in the hood.
Right.
It's actually quite hot now.
It is really hot.
Oh my god! Oh look! Ah! Oh, oh my god, it flipped upside down.
And that's what we could have ended up in.
We could have been doing that.
Absolutely not.
It's beautiful though, isn't it? Like,
It
imagine
is.
going through like a rapids and a raft and that.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm a bit burnt. I think my face is a bit
Your
red.
cheeks, yeah.
Oh shit!
The New Zealand sun's got her already.
Hiya. Oh God. Now is not the time to trip. Okay. Bloody hell, where are we going?
About that.
No? Oh God. No, Jesus Christ. Oh, I can't see.
That's what I don't like. I told you to do absolutely nothing.
Is that it?
Oh, I don't know.
Get the phone. I don't like it, let's just stay here.
Okay, yeah.
Oh God.
I feel like
Yeah, that's scary back there. I just want to see the bloody rafters.
How is that safe for somebody to come down on in?
Oh no, I'm gonna come round just because there.
No, it was up.
No, but
Oh, you said what's down there? Oh, sorry.
have we not just come that way?
No, that was down that side. Oh, this is the cave.
Oh Jesus.
The cave ceiling is like.
I really don't know about this. Oh, I saw a bed in it. Oh God, this cave is small as well. How far? Oh, I have a fear of caves.
Oh, yeah, we won't go
Yeah, I
down
wouldn't fuck that cave.
Do you want to go up? We can take a slow walk up, but I don't want to miss it either.
We might miss it. I think we have to prepare ourselves for missing it. Where are you? Oh. I think that's the safety kayak that's come down.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I didn't see it.
Oh God.
There's lots of people. Oh, I've got to see it. They're down there.
They don't like to stay in, they probably all have to hold on.
Yeah.
There's a paddle floating around.
Oh, that safety one's been put all the certain people coming out.
That's not that bad actually, is it? Yeah, how cool is this?
It's amazing.
It like, yeah.
Glowing.
I'm gonna die, I feel like. But
It's
it
glowing
is
in
really
the dark.
cool. It's like really trippy. I should probably come down. You can see that, but the car is literally there. We're so tired now, we just need to sit down. Well, 20,000 steps later.
Yay.